Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and I'm excited to have you here with me for another episode to help boost your English skills. Today, we're talking about a key part of English grammar, verbs. If you're at an A2 level or beginner, this episode will help you understand what verbs are and how they're used in English. Let's jump right in. So, what is a verb? A verb is a word that describes an action, state, or occurrence. Verbs are essential in every sentence because they tell us what the subject is doing or experiencing. Some common verbs in English include eat, run, feel, is, and have. Let's go through some examples to see verbs in action. If you're talking about an activity, you might say, I like to read books. Here, like is the verb that describes what you enjoy. Or if you're describing a state of being, you could say, she is happy. In this case, is the verb that tells us how she feels. Another example might be, they play soccer every weekend. Here, play is the verb that shows the action they do regularly. In everyday conversations, verbs help you share what you're doing, feeling, or thinking. For example, if someone asks about your hobbies, you might say, I enjoy cooking. Or if you're discussing plans, you could say, we will meet at the cafe. Using verbs makes your sentences complete and clear, helping you express yourself in English. Thank you so much for tuning in to Hello Word today. I hope this explanation of verbs was helpful, and I hope you'll try using verbs confidently in your conversations. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.